Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. Are you having an issue with your AirPods and Huawei MatePad Air? It might be paired and linked, but for some reason it's not connecting or there's no sound coming out. Let me go ahead and show you how to fix it. So first we're going into the settings and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. So as you can see here, it says paired devices. And then even though it's paired, there's no sound coming out. And the reason why is most likely because we have you have your AirPods connected to another device. And sometimes you forget, but let me go ahead and show you. So we're in the settings. This is an iPhone, and we're gonna also go to Bluetooth. It's also on. And this is the reason why your Huawei is not connecting to the AirPods, because it's already connected to another device. So what you're going to have to do is go ahead, go to that device, and then you're going to want to scroll down. Somewhere, if it's not an iPhone, there's going to be a disconnect or forget this device. And we'll go ahead and put in forget device. Okay, so once the device is disconnected, then we're going to see it pop up again here. If for some reason there's still no sound coming out, then what I'm going to want you to do is go ahead and push unpair, and we're just going to go simply reconnect and pair again. So then I open this. If it doesn't pop up down here on other devices, then what you have to do is just double tap. This is for the AirPod 4s. If it's a different device, not AirPods, then you can do another, whatever you have to do to pair or open pairing. So then now we can see AirPods here. We're going to click that. It's going to ask if we want to pair. We're going to say connect. And then now it says connected, so it should be working. All right, guys. So I hope this video helps. See you next time. If the video does help, please like, subscribe, or comment. See you. Bye.